Good night, teacher and classmates. My name is Jonathan. I am 26 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Yopal, Casanare. I live with my son and my wife. I am a police officer. I am studying health administration. My favorite sport is soccer, and I enjoy playing with my friends and co-workers. My favorite TV show is Sábados Felices. My family is composed by my mother. She is 46 years old. She is not working. Her name is Clara. Her eyes are brown and her hair is black. My father, he is 56 years old. He is independent working and his name is Alberto. He is not too tall and his hair is black. I have 3 brothers. One of them is my brother Guillermo. He is 24 years old. He is networking installer. My older brother is Luis. He is 28 years old. He is salesperson of Colsubsidio in Bogota. They have their own family. And my sister Leslie, she is 18 years old. She is studying and her hair is black and too long. In this moment, they live in Bogota. By my job, I live here in Yopal with my son and my wife. My wife's name is Jessica. She is 24 years old. She is not working by pandemic. Her hair is brown and long. Her eyes are green. And finally, in the most important in my life is my son. His name is Nicholas. He is 1 year old. His hair is brown and his eyes are brown. And he is a good son. Thank you so much.